The Institute for Agricultural Research, like any other national research institute, has genetic improvement mandate of crops. And among the crops which the Institute for Agricultural Research, SAMARU, is mandated to conduct genetic improvement research is maize and cowpea, okay, as well as cotton, which are the three crops in which biotechnological tools have been used to develop improved varieties. In the case of BT cowpea is beans, and it is a crop in which Nigeria is the largest producer in the world, and also Nigeria is the largest consumer of the crop in the world. The quantity produced is insufficient to cater for the needs of the nation, so there is deficit. In order to ensure food security, there is need to bridge that deficit by producing more. And to get more production, required varieties which are suitable for production need to be developed. There are so many constraints militating against variety development. Most of them, in the case of cowpea, are the insect pests. Maruca is the name of the insect which devastates the flower pod of cowpea. If the insect is not controlled using chemicals, the yield can be even zero, because the whole pod can be eaten, leaving you with nothing for the crop.
Okay. So do you think research like this can help in improving food security?
Indeed, this research improves in food security because there will be control of the insect pests inbuilt in the new variety. So instead of the insect to make havoc and destroy the crop, it will be killed and the crop will develop normally and produce high yields.
Okay. Like there's a lot of people are skeptical among the users that the safety of products which are largely from biotechnology is not authentic to them. So do you share this sentiment?
Well, of course, there are sentiments on the issue of safety in particular, the biosafety issues. However, biosafety considerations had been an international issue. Internationally, for the biotechnology activities, there is what is called Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety Issues, using modified living organisms. So these living organisms include food, include crops, include everything which is modified using living organisms. Incidentally, I have mentioned the pests can devastate the crops, whether it is cowpea or maize or cotton. However, incidentally, nature has provided natural resistance to the pests from a soil-borne bacteria, which is ubiquitous. It is found everywhere in the soil. The bacteria is called Bacillus thuringiensis, which is abbreviated as BT.
That's botanical.
Yes, the BT crops have resistance because they contain the BT protein, which prevents insects from feeding on the plants which contain that protein. And using biotechnological tools, that gene responsible for producing the BT proteins had been identified, had been extracted, and incorporated into the genome of the crops, be it maize, cowpea, or the cotton, which were the three main crops in which the IR worked on the biotechnology aspects.
So how accessible will it be to farmers, especially the peasant farmers?
Yes, already BT cotton and the BT cowpea as well as the BT maize are already in the hands of farmers. Farmers are expected to procure the seeds from registered certified seed dealers. There are registered seed companies which are responsible for the extension of these seeds to the farmers. And many farmers were buying from the seed companies.
Okay. Thank you so much.